Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the 4 different ways how you can show the battery percentage on your iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and the Mini or the Pro Max. Okay, so the first way to show the battery percentage is open up your Today view by swiping all the way to the right. And here there is a battery percentage widget, and you can see it at the moment it is showing 100%. Okay, so that is one of the way how you can view the battery percentage on your device by opening up today's view. Okay, another way to show the battery percentage is adding a widget to your home screen. So on your home screen, touch and hold, then tap on the add button, and in here go down and tap on batteries, and then drag the battery percentage to your home screen, and that's it. So that's how you can show the battery percentage by adding a widget to the home screen. Now another way is to use Siri. You can ask Siri to show the battery percentage. So you say, "Hey Siri, show me the battery percentage."
Battery is at 100%.
And finally, the last method is to plug in the charger cable to your phone, and when you do that, your phone will show the battery percentage on the lock screen and tells you how much battery you have left on your device, as you can see right here. And that's it. Those are the 4 different methods on how you can show the battery percentage on your device. Now, unlike previous model of your iPhone, where it will show the batteries right next to your battery icons. So right here, if you look at it, you can see on my device, it shows the battery percentage right here next to the battery icon, whereas on the newer iPhone 13 models, the battery percentage doesn't show right next to your battery icon anymore. That is because there is not enough space right here. As you can see on the top corner, there is only enough space to show the Wi-Fi icon, your cellular signal, and battery. So I suppose they can put the battery percentage inside the battery. Perhaps that's one place where they can put in the battery percentage, but it's just not enough room to show it in here. That's why I guess that's why they are removing the battery percentage on the status bar, like this one here, as you can see. And that's it. So unfortunately, if you really want to show the batteries percentage right next to the battery, you can't do that with the iPhone 13. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.